Hi there. I just want to quickly talk about L-Arginine, L-Tyrosine. This is an exceptional product that we have here at Health Trek. Arginine is an amino acid that's used to help produce nitric oxide in the bloodstream. So it dilates the blood vessels, helps damage tissues, oxidation levels, but blood flow, heart and blood flow. So it gives you that big boost of energy that you need throughout the day. Arginine is one of the most natural substances that you can take that would be in replacement of some sort of Monster Energy or your cups of coffee. L-Tyrosine is an amino acid that works well with it that produces dopamine, so the feel-good hormones and minerals in the body. So not only does it produce all the right energy and boost that you need throughout your system, but the feel-good. So you have energy and you feel good because there's nothing worse than somebody who's got lots of energy, but they're angry all the time. So that's a happy energy. L-Tyrosine, L-Arginine is a product that I think everybody should be on. Have a great day.